Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Week. Today I would like to show you an application which is very beneficial in our daily life. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting updates. Coming to the main point, today I would like to introduce an application which reduces our payment burden when we do any online transactions. And the application name is Simpl. Basically, Simpl is a company that works with many merchants to ease out of transactions. How is that done? Well, let me explain you. Simpl is a payment method where the payment is first made to Simpl without deducting any money from our bank account or wallet. And the user can make payments to Simpl twice a month. This makes our work easy to escape from entering card details, CVV and UPI ID password every time you make a transaction. And this Simpl generates a bill for every 15 days and you should pay the bill in next 5 days. Let me show you how to do this. Open Play Store and go to Simpl Pay and install Simpl Pay app. So I've already installed it, so you can see it as open. So why is it showing as an existing users? You have to register for the first time in merchant applications they have tied up with. And you can use the same mobile number which you used while purchasing item from the merchant account while logging into Simpl. And the first thing where you can use the Simpl app. This company has tied up with several popular merchants that we are using in day-to-day life like Zomato, Bookmyshow, etc. So let's open this app and see. First time when you're logging in, it will ask for the mobile number and we'll get an OTP through which we should log in to the app. So let's open it. Open. And look at this. So currently my total bill from December 1st to December 13th is 614 rupees. And the bill will get generated on 15th December and I have to pay by 20th December. So these are all the transactions I have made on Hungerbox. So this is my last transaction, last paid to Simpl. This is my last bill and you can see I have paid on December 1st over 233. And if you see, it has tied up with the popular merchants like Big Basket, Zomato, Grofers, Bookmyshow, all of this. So this app is very useful in reducing the burden while doing any transaction. Hope you like this. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.